Luxury Slim Smart Seat V3208. Universal, compact, and stylish. One-button quick-release design enables quick and simple installation, matching most toilets in the market. Convenience of toilet nightlight. Humanized design provides maximum comfort. Different levels of temperature adjustment. One-button smart control, more easy to operate. High-quality heating equipment, constant temperature, fresh water, more hygiene. Various cleansing options to meet various cleansing requirements of a family. Unique arc-shaped wand nose optimizes spraying distance to avoid contacting dirt. Various settings of water pressure, water temperature, and air temperature bring more convenience. Non-photo catalyst, deodorization keeps bathroom air always fresh. Self-cleaning wand nose provides more hygiene and cares more about your health. Antibacterial seat, more hygiene. IPX4 waterproof technology to endure humidity in bathroom. Slow close of toilet seat, no slam. Enjoy a home spa.